Hello and welcome to FAE Tech Tips and Tutorials. Today we're going to be going over how to set up a virtual background in Zoom. First, you're going to want to select the Zoom scheduler from your extensions bar in Chrome. Select Start a Meeting with Video Off. If you've used Zoom to join a meeting, the Zoom application will already be installed on your work machine and you can find it from the Start menu. If not, go ahead and download and run Zoom. Once the download finishes, go ahead and open it. Zoom will be installed. Once the installation finishes, go ahead and close out of any Zoom application windows except for the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Go ahead and click Sign In. Then select Sign In with SSO. For the company domain, type in uri-edu. Then hit Continue. Sign in with your URI single sign-on email and password. Once the Zoom application is open, select the settings icon on the right-hand side. Then select Virtual Background. You have the option of choosing a predefined background already here, or you can add a virtual background of your own. To add your own virtual background, select the plus button on the right-hand side. Then select Add Image. Search for the picture that you would like to use as your virtual background, then hit Open. To use the virtual backgrounds without an actual green screen, you'll need to download the virtual background package. Once the installation finishes, and you have your virtual background selected, there's nothing else to do. The next time you join a Zoom meeting or host a meeting, your virtual background will automatically be used. Thank you, and have a great day.